If you like Roku, you're gonna love this TV. Look at the crispness on this. Try to angle it a little bit better. And one of the great things about this TV is you can set up different profiles, basically. So if you've got 2 or 3 kids and they want their own profile because they don't want their YouTube to get messed up because their little brother's watching YouTube, you can set it up and do that any way you want. It's of course a smart TV, so you have all your little sign-ins, you have your HDMIs, all the normal things you would have with any kind of a smart TV, but with a wonderful crispness. Now you can hang it on the wall, and it also comes with little feet pedestals, so you can put it on a shelf of some kind, set it on the floor, I guess. And then the remote has the little buttons to find the different areas of the TV that you might want to watch, or Netflix, Disney. I cannot get signed in Disney for anything, and even Apple, which I love that it's combined Apple on this, because come on, don't we all watch a lot of Apple? Yeah. And then of course turn it off and on with this. I just think the quality of this is really great. There's no complaint. Let's just put it that way. There's no complaint. It has everything you could possibly need. The sound quality is good. I probably should try to get you some sound quality, but then I do run the risk of Amazon saying, nope, can't play it. So it's hard to show you that kind of thing. But even with no headphones, it just has great quality. Let's see if we can maybe get something to play just for a second. That's not... Okay, I don't know if I can get this to play. Give me just a second. There we go. And yeah, it controls it really easily. Okay, look at that. That is fantastic. I'm gonna turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn it off. Not supposed to have anything playing. Okay, so there you go. It's very, very thin. Let me show you over here. We've got it on this great mount. I love this mount. You can check my storefront if you want to see that, because it's fabulous. The best one I've ever seen. It's very thin, so it's not going to take up much space on your wall. There you go. I hope that helps.